Hello guys, my name is Brian and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about Hardwood Tonic before buying this product. I will give you very important information and also have some alerts about Hardwood Tonic that I will tell you to prevent you from losing money or even harm your health. So pay close attention to this video and stay until the end. The first warning I have to tell you is that Hardwood Tonic is only sold on the official website, so I recommend that you do not buy this product on any other website because you will take a big risk of falling for scams or even receiving a fake product. To help you, I left here in the description of the video the link of the official website if you want to access. Now I'll tell you what Hardwood Tonic is and if it really works. Hardwood Tonic is a digital guide that informs users what they should do to get a strong and lasting erection to keep track of their sex life. So you can really trust Hardwood Tonic, it's approved by experts, and it's being used by thousands of men who are having great results with their sex lives. And order process is completely safe and anonymous, so no one knows what you ordered. But another alert I have to give is that for you to have results with Hardwood Tonic is very important that you use the product the right way. Some people aren't getting results with Hardwood Tonic because they're using it the wrong way. So the right way to use Hardwood Tonic is that by taking the 60-second tonic daily, you'll be able to enjoy the toughest, longest-lasting erections you've had since you were a teenager. And doing the treatment this way, in the first month of use you will already notice the first results with Hardwood Tonic, but most people can enjoy all the benefits of the product and get more definitive results after 3 months of use. Trust me, it's my own experience. Another thing you should also know is that the manufacturer of Hardwood Tonic offers is that after placing your order, you can return an empty bottle within 1 year after purchase and still receive 100% of the purchase price. I don't even know for how long or if it's just today, but they are offering 3 free bonuses that are: Bonus 1 equals Quick Start Accelerator Plan, Bonus 2, Guide Vitamins and Minerals for Hard Erection and Bonus 3, Testosterone Booster 7 minutes, then waste no time. So I wanted to make this video to clarify all doubts about Hardwood Tonic and also to alert you about the scams that are happening out there, so if you buy this product, buy only on the official website so as not to go through any kind of problem. Also, remember to make the right use for the best results. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will answer you. So that's it, I hope I helped you. Have a good day, bye.